So me, not a noob, and Yclef did a challenge.
When he told me to use upgraded Titan Sawblade, this was the worst idea because of how slow he is. He can't jump, and I'll tell you why it was the worst idea in my life. Because he can't jump. So I'm gonna tell you the full thing what happened. Anyways, yeah, it's my voice. I already did a voiceover, so I guess it doesn't make sense. So the waves are getting good until, like, I don't know what, if it was the scientist box. I think it was, but it just decided to fling me. No, it like made me sit down. But Science Sawblade cannot jump. So I was like, no, I am cooked.
I don't know how, but I clutched a few waves until one of the waves that the Supreme boxes, a lot of them were. Bro, I was lagging so bad, and then I just died, and then it was the Clef's turn. I don't know what happened in his turn since I left to make a video about this, so. Anyways, like and subscribe to my channel for more Superboxy defense videos, and I will see you guys later. Bye bye. Are you still watching the video? Bro, just click off and watch another video. It's not that. Bro, just click off, please. Are you gonna click off or what? You wanna hear like a secret or something? I can tell you a secret. If you're just watching to the end of the video, well, you're a true subscriber. Anyways, here's a video about Superbox's defense like changing. I don't know what happened. Anyways, here you go. Wait, stop. Thank God you're still watching the video. I need you to help me. Please. Please. Oh, shit.